Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can check review activity on Instagram. So if you want to track your past actions on Instagram, whether it's comment, likes, shares, or searches, Instagram keeps a record of your activity. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can do it. So on mobile, what you need to do is just open the Instagram application and tap on your profile icon. Tap on the three lines menu in the top right corner. Then in here, you can just tap on your activity options. This one. And in this menu, you can check interactions such as likes, comments, notes, tags, sticker responses, and review. And you can also see the remove and archive content and also the content you shared in a post, reels, and highlights. Also, you can see the time span, how much time you've spent on Instagram, the search history, what you search up for in Instagram, and also your account history such as changes to your username, bio, and others. So you can also delete and manage your past interaction directly from this section. So what you need to do is to find, well, for example, I want to see the sticker responses. You can just tap on this option. Okay, so these are my stickers responses, and you can select on the one that you want to delete, for example, like this, and then tap on delete at the bottom. Okay, here I'm going to also check, for example, the account history. You can tap on account history and you'll see all of changes that you've made on your Instagram profile. As you guys can see here, I changed my website, I changed my usernames, and lots of them. Let's say I want to see comments now. Okay, so here are the comments that I made. And again, if you want to delete, you can just tap on select at the top, choose the comments that you want to delete, and tap on delete at the bottom. Tap on delete again to confirm. So that's it. You know now how you can check, manage Instagram activity, and let me know if you need more Instagram tips. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye.